All right, close up. Part 2.
Maybe blow gun, let some air out of that. Maybe it'll pump it up.
That should be pumping. Where's that wiring diagram you did? Hey Mike, why don't you say something? Talk about that wiring diagram.
What about it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's just a simplified wiring diagram for
It's just
be able to
It's
take
about
the controls off the handlebars and
got rid of all those relays and all that shit that was on
Yeah.
there. Cloud and
use a
everything.
little heavier wire, 12 gauge wire, and put a push button under here for the starter.
You got a push button starter. Is that where it's always been?
That's where it's been since I put it there.
Yeah.
Years ago.
That's about the simplest wiring diagram you're ever going to see for a motorcycle.
Alright.
And I always think
I think what I want to have
simpler
you
is
do
better.
is I want to set this up and maybe have you push down on it.
Alright. Anyway, basic wiring diagram for Harley Davidson.